a great night. It was an exhibition. It's the Andy Warhol exhibition. It's an exhibition I wanted to come and see. So to have a private viewing with B4 has been fantastic.
I've just seen the Warhol exhibition, which has been absolutely amazing. It's been a great evening. The catering has been great. I've met lots of people in B4. I've made some new contacts, and I've had a really enjoyable evening.
It's a fantastic resource in the city. The refurbishment and the extension has just been so rejuvenating and wonderful. I think we couldn't want for a better asset for such a small city to have such a tremendous globally known museum. It is really wonderful, and tonight's event has been really fantastic, introducing Oxford's business people to such a wonderful environment and getting them to engage in the museum. There was a great talk about Renaissance art, and also through to the conservation studios, which I've been speaking to people tonight. They found really valuable and very, very interesting. So I think congratulations to B4 and to the Ashmolean for putting on such a tremendous evening.